Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically I guess like trim your outfits to create like one new one. I'm just going to quickly change my skin color so you guys can see what I mean. So here we have this sleeve. Let me just add on something. And as you can see, there's this button here. So I selected the shirt. So for the sleeves here, I want it to be like a normal sleeve. So select this button here. There's two options, well, three, including the original one. There's this one, and there's this one. And for this one, as you can see, there is ruffles on and ruffles off. Let's do ruffles off, for instance. And you can also do it with some like other things, maybe like these socks. You want it to be longer and striped. Select the button again and go to medium striped socks, or there's the high striped socks. And you can color it the same color to make like one long socks, or like you can color it stripes like this. And it's also like that for this one. You can make it like longer as well, like a legging, or just a short version if you'd like to. But that's pretty much it. You can kind of like adjust a lot of these outfits, which I think is pretty cool. So for instance, if you bought this dress, you can, for instance, just wear the top only. Here, let me just delete this so I can show you. So you can use the top only, no sleeves on the dress, top only, no sleeves, and just the sleeves only, or just the skirt only. And I think that's pretty cool with a lot of these like items. Sometimes you can't, like the option won't show for some of the items, like this one. Let's see, this one. You don't have any options. And sometimes for like the jeans, you can like choose to show texture, and like you can also select ripped jeans as well. Like this one, there's ripped. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.